Episode 9 Pranking Mom Part 3.
Hey, I have an idea. Let's go prank again, Mom.
Oh, yeah, yes!
Let's go. I have the remote. Oh!
Ah! Ah! I'm wet again! Oh, come on, it's gonna bad again. Oh, I'm not just gonna sleep first. No! No! Stop it! Stop! No! Bro, I need to clean again. Bro, I'm just gonna bath. I just took a bath and there was some alcohol running here. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna rage quit so bad. Oh my!
47 minutes later.
I can sleep now without alcohol. Ow! Ooh, what just happened? Haha, it did not shoot me. Nah! Nah! Bro, I just cleaned!
Oh, that's a bad idea when you expected some technical difficulties.
No! That's a bad idea! Bad idea! I'm just gonna get a bad again! Hey, what just happened? Oh no, what just happened to the camera? Oh! Wait! What just happened? Bruh! Guys! What? Who did this to me? Oh my! Oh! Ang gara yan! Are you wet again? Yes, I am wet again because of you, everybody except you. What, me? Why me? I don't have the remote. Oh, frick. I know it! Knew it! You have the remote! Bah! I'm gonna go bad again. This is the third time I'm going on a bad time. Oh! You just made me! What did you just say? You just made me! Oh no. I know this one. No! No! Oh no! No, stop! You're full of alcohol! Yeah! That's what I'm going to say. I am full of alcohol. Look at my face. I'm just like the... Oh my gosh. Look at me. Look at my face. Oh, shit. Okay. Bad time once again. No! Bad time! I'm just gonna... No, not the camera! No! Why? Why the camera? Why? I'm going to bed. Seriously. He just gone for about a few seconds. What the frick? Yeah. By the way. Where is... okay. By the way. Where is Blue? Is he okay? Somebody is there. I think that's Blue. No! Yeah, come in! Oh, shh! Oh, don't come in because my mom is full of water. Oh my goodness! Do you miss me? Yes! Well, I'm now here. Look at my face. What can you say about my body? Oh, disgusting! Oh my! Why? What's wrong? Why? And also, why there is full of alcohol on the floor? You're like an ugly Garfield on the movie. Yeah, that's the same thing. Okay. What can you say about my face, Dad? That is disgusting! What can you say? Disgusting! Commander, that's disgusting! You disgusting! Why? Look at it! That's not why! Why? I am the commander! Commander ako dito! Why? What's wrong? I took a bath there. Oh my goodness! What's wrong with you? Look at it! You look like a Garfield!
I'm not a Garfield, I'm just a block.
Well, you know it! Black ka talaga! Magpa-black ka dito! Babanda kita dito! Okay, kalma lang.
Kahit na-prank ko si ma'am.
Ano?
Wala! Naninig ko yun pasing kita dyan eh.
Okay. Ewan ko na lang. Kailangan natin ayusin. Nawawala pa tong isang eyeball niya. Usugin ko to. O basta, babagsakin ko na lang kay Commander na naman. Oy, wag! Wag na naman! Wag! Tinanggal mo! Bakit? Di ko naman sinasadya. Ito yung camera dito. Ito yung camera. Ba't ako? Ha? Ba't ako? Director ako dito.
45 minutes of away later.
Bakit 45 minutes na tayo nagabay, ha? Ewan ko na lang to. Itong blue. Episode 9 pa lang tayo. Nagabay na tayo agad.
Another 45 minutes of away.
Okay. Shut up!
Mabuti pa tumahimik na.
Gusto ko ng katahimikan! Gusto ko ng katahimikan! Ba't mo gusto ng katahimikan? Galit na kita eh. Ano? Wala. Ikaw, commander ako dito. Matapang ako masyado, ha? Matapang ako! Ikaw. Hoy, respond ka. Hoy, respond! Hoy, wala na. Ikaw tayo, ano masasabi mo dito sa body? Ewan ko. Ikaw lang may kasalanan dito, hindi kita pinaprank ka. Pinaprank mo ako, ha? Last time, nilagay mo ka na maraming alcohol kaya tumulo dito sa buong set natin. Eh ngayon, tumulo na naman sa set natin. Kasi may remote ka! Kinagalit mo ako? Hindi. Alis na nga ako. Tulog mo na ako. Ano yan? Stop ringing!
Mabuti. Sino po si Blue?
Si Blue! Nandito si Blue! Bakit anong dahilan? Dahilan.
Meron po dito isang kriminal na tumakas po dito ng surgery.
Ano? Ito mga ikaw ba yun?
Hindi Hindi. Ikaw po, Blue, ikaw binabiolate po na tumakas ka po sa surgery.
Bakit po sa surgery? Mang! Stop that! Ikaw po binabiolate po. Ikaw po arestado sa loob ng 67 years. Mang! Ano ba? Stop ka! Apa ka na! Ayoko na ng ganyan! Mang! Mabibaby ako, sigurado ako! Stop! Okay. I think meron na tayo. Arrestado natin to. No! You cannot arrest me. O nga pala, ba't ang basang-basa ang lapag natin? Nababasa na ako. O nga. Tayo lumakad, kumukunti na yung lakad ko. Ba't pumabagal ako? Ay, babagal ako! Babagal! Tayo, arestado kayo! Pinaprank niyo ako? Hindi, nanay ko pinaprank mo. Ano?
Wala.
Hindi na ba? Basang-basa na ako. Ayan, may nakakita ba dito? Basang-basa na ako. Gusto ko na malis. Wait lang. Kasi parang may something tayo nangyayari dito. Mag-lay down ka muna. Dito sa pinakagitna. Okay, dito ka. Dito tayo sa katabi natin. Okay. Ano ba? Bakit? Pati tumutulo. Oy! Pati tumutulo! Ah! Ano ba yan? Ba't alcohol ba to? Ba't ako? Alcohol! Oy, nababasa na ako. Teka. Alis ako. maganda pala kapag binanag natin lahat ng tao. Oy, wag! Wag naman! Mahuli pa tayo ng SWAT, ng police, ng military, kahit ano. Ayoko na na ganyan. Yung mood ko sumasobra na eh. Uwe. Oh, naniwala ako. Oo nga, parang... Di ko pwede tignan yung ano, yung utak mo. Oh! Kasi yung utak mo ay isang... Ano? Meron ka ng 3 seconds. Boy! Teka. Ba't ang pangit nun? Oo nga eh. Save. Ano sabi mo, Commander? Napangit! No! Mapapag-aralin mo to ng essay. Oo, pinagtigil ko muna sa pag-aaral. Isususpend talaga kita, pero suspend. Hindi kita talaga isususpend, I swear. Pero talaga suspended kita. No! Diyan ang tapos ang 3 parts. Blanking math.